I recently recorded a video using OBS and was very disappointed, to say the least. The main problem being that the video was very dim, as I'm showing at the moment. I was particularly disappointed as it was the first recording I had made on a new Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2, and I was therefore expecting the results to be stunning. I think everyone agrees that this isn't looking too good. I spent quite a bit of time changing the settings in OBS, but without any success. The solution to the problem turned out to be the display settings for the laptop. If I right-click, select Display Settings, and scroll down, you'll see that we've got HDR set on. If I set that off, the screen flickers, and if I now close it, we should now see that the display is much brighter. That was the answer.